Alright, I got two problems. One, when the AC compressor kicks on, it clicks pretty loud. And the other is inside the cabin when the AC compressor is on, there's a loud sucking noise underneath the passenger side of the dash. Here's the sucking noise. You might be able to hear the click faintly also. Alright, I just turned it on. Alright, that was 3 times it did that sucking noise, and now out to the engine so we can hear the clicking. I don't know, that clicking is pretty loud from inside the cabin also. I can feel the vibration through the pedals. Is that normal? I don't know.